Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, last week we asked the question, what kind of cabin would you choose? Would you choose an interior cabin, an ocean view cabin, or a balcony cabin, and why would you choose that particular cabin? Well, it was no surprise to me, and it probably won't be a surprise to anybody out there, but a balcony cabin overwhelmingly was the number one choice of cabins. There were some votes for inside cabins due to price. There were some ocean view cabins, due to price, and at least there was natural light. But overwhelmingly, just about everybody said balcony cabin. You get light, you get fresh air, you get more room. You can enjoy, coffee, snacks, a meal out on your balcony. So balcony wins. Hands down, no doubt about that. So now we have another little piece to our puzzle as we're building, our perfect cruise based on voter answers. We have our cruise ships. Remember, we had a tie for cruise ships. We had the Carnival Breeze and the Celebrity Equinox tied for the best cruise ship. We're going to be departing from either Port Everglades or Galveston, Texas. They tied for first place for the favorite departure port. And going to be staying in a balcony cabin, overwhelmingly balcony cabin. And that brings us to today's question. And what is your favorite private cruise island? Is it Coco Cay from Royal Caribbean? Is it Castaway from Disney? Is it Halfmoon Cay from Carnival Cruise Lines? Is it Harvest Cay? Which of the cruise lines' private islands is your favorite? And is there a why to that? Is it just because that's the one you've been to and you absolutely love it? Does one of the private islands just have that one thing you're looking for on a cruise that makes you want to go there again and again? So today's question, what is your favorite private cruise island and why? Let me know in the comments below. Just like we've been doing here the last couple of weeks, we will tally up those answers. And then next Monday, we'll let you guys know which of the private islands owned by a cruise line is your favorite. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and of course, we'll let you know anytime a new video of ours comes out. Hope everyone has a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.